Alright, so what's going on YouTube? It is your boy That Sneaker MI back with another video. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the YEEZY 500 High Mist Stone. Now I am actually super excited to see these in person. Main reason is because for me this colorway is different. This one stood out to me from the rest of the colorways. So yeah, here you go. 500, you know, YEEZY 500, Adidas YEEZY. On my size 8, because you want to go up a half size from your true to size with the YEEZY 500s. Let's take the first look together. Yes, sir. Wow, these are actually fire. These are actually super fire in person. What? You guys have it. It is the YEEZY 500, just high top, high cut, whatever you want to call it. Now what I really like about the 500s compared to all the other YEEZY models is the materials actually used on the shoe. Definitely more on the premier side. You know, you got nice long suede, some neoprene, super soft to the touch. Some really good leather. Actually really good actually. You didn't know, or you could actually see it. The new 500 highs come with the infinity lacing system, bungee lacing system, whatever it is. So you already know. Just click on it, pull it back, forward, whatever it is to your liking. Because of that, the shoe is actually super hard to get on. Like you gotta like squeeze your feet into this. You got the added pre, no boost on this sole. Unfortunately, you got adiprene, which is still, you know, super comfortable. The cool thing is that if you guys do not like this lacing system, Adidas actually provided additional laces. You know, they're the same, just black laces, just without the infinity lacing system. Insole, it's actually a YEEZY Ortholite insole. So you already know you get that extra comfort. This actually might be sneaker of the year for me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. That's Sneaker MI signing out.